Hi Gemini, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Gemini, for your general energies, career situation, and relationship. Gemini, we are picking these cards, guys. If you want more clarity in your situation, guys, Gemini, you can watch the pick a card love reading that will follow this general energy, guys. So you can stay tuned for that. So let's see what are these cards. We have King of Pentacles in reverse, Four of Pentacles in reverse, and Queen of Cups in reverse. So in your situation, guys, Gemini, it may be in your work situation or in your relationship, there are certain things happening that is not up to your expectation. Maybe in your work, the people you work with, they are not dedicated like you, and that may affect your work potential. Or someone who is important in your work, maybe, so that person has some sickness or some weakness, maybe some bad habits, addictions, or something is worrying them. So again, that is affecting the way things are in your work situation. It's affecting your work potential, guys. And this may be again a situation in your relationship, guys. Maybe this person you love, they have some sickness, they are having some sickness or some addictions, and that is the reason for your worries. You are feeling a lot of stress and anxious about this person, and you may be seeing some delays in your work, guys. Maybe some project delays or delays in your some financial deals or whatever you do. Or in this relationship, you may feel a lot of confusion and stress. Maybe this person is arguing with you for each and everything. They are not accepting your views or ideas on anything. So a lot of stress you are facing today, guys, in your situation. And maybe you have this person, you love them, you may share a level of understanding, but you don't know what is there in their mind. You don't know everything about this person. So there may be some kind of envy or jealousy they have towards you, and maybe they do not have that level of they don't feel that level of love or connection with you. So there may be some misunderstandings they have in their heart, and they do not share that deep bond with you, guys, like what you have. So you may have love, you may feel that it is true love, that is what you have towards this person, but this person may not think of you in that lines, guys. They are here being with you just for fun. They are not taking you seriously, or they do not take this love seriously. So they are here just for fun. That may be the reason you both do not share a deep bond, and you may feel that something is missing or lacking in this relationship, guys, Gemini. So that is what I see with these cards, Gemini, and that is the reading for you all today. Thank you for watching. If you want more clarity, guys, you can watch the pick a card love reading that is coming up right now, Gemini. For your love reading, guys, we have 2 cards and 2 crystals here. So you can think about your situation, close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds, then open your eyes and choose the card or the crystal that comes to you first. So that way the reading may resonate, guys. So I will start with this card. This is your first card and this is your second card. So I will start the reading with the first card after a few seconds of silence, guys. Okay, guys, so now let's start the reading with the first card. I will keep this card aside. So let's see what is the card for y'all today. It is Fairy Ointment, the sight. So, for those who chose this card, it just means that you are someone who is really sensitive, you are really special. Maybe for some of you, you have special intuitive skills and you know what that person feels truly. You can understand their emotions, and maybe in any situation you may have you may hint at the future of that circumstance or that person. So some kind of intuition, or you may have a positive insight into the future or whatever is supposed to unfold in your life or in that person's life. But you should be also very careful, guys, with this kind of sensitivity or skill. You should not be open about your gifts. You should be quiet. You should not tell each and everyone that you have your intuition working in the right way and you will be able to predict, or you will be able to sense something when it is happening. So you need to understand that you cannot speak openly about these gifts. Maybe you can talk about it to the true friends you have, maybe someone you are really close, very close with, and with whom you feel really reliable friendship, trustworthy friend. So to that person you can reveal about the gifts you have, but to others you should not be open and you should use discretion, guys. It is for your own welfare, and you should speak wisely. You should not reveal that you have such an insight or intuition guiding you or helping you, and you can speak what you feel or what you think only when people ask you your suggestions or guidance. Other than that, you should not come out voluntarily telling them how they should do or what they should do. So that is going to land you in some difficult situation, guys. So you just have to be quiet till then. So that is the guidance here. So maybe today you may have clarity regarding some situation. You may see that this is the right thing to do for someone, but until and unless that person asks you what should be their reaction or what should be their choice, you should not give them any guidance. So that is the energy with this card, guys. For those who chose this card, that is the reading for you all, guys. So let's see what is the second card. For those who chose this second card and the second crystal, guys. So let's see what is the card. It is Jade, and it is the crystal spirits card, guys. So with this card, the guidance is that in our situation today, so let it be in our work situation or in our personal life, in this relationship, so we need to be with people who always bring out the best in us, guys. So we need not be perfect. We are all not perfect, and we all make a lot of mistakes. So today, the affection you have towards the people in your life, can bring them close to you. And maybe sometimes some people, they just put us down. They keep saying that we are not good enough, or we don't have talents enough or skills enough. That may be true, but still, when you have someone speaking negatively to you, it is going to make you even more even less capable of achieving some things. So even if we don't have the skills and talents, when people appreciate us, when they encourage us, it is going to bring out the best in us, guys. So we need to be with the people who always encourage us and who helps us to bring out the best of our skills and talents and abilities outside. So we should be in the company of such people. So maybe in your situation, you really like someone, but this person may be criticizing you always, so judging you maybe. So you should try and avoid this person's company and be with people who appreciate your skills. Maybe your skills may be limited, or you may not have skills like them, but still when they appreciate and encourage you, speak positively, it is going to have a positive impact on you, and it is going to change the way things are in your life today, guys. And you should treasure these friends who bring out the best in us. So that is the reading with this card, guys, and that is the reading for you all today. Thank you for watching. If this reading resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.